To send Atok to MetaMask, you'll need to create an Atok account if you don't already have one. You'll also need a MetaMask wallet on your mobile device. Start by opening the MetaMask app and navigating to the top left, where you'll see an icon. Click on it to switch from Ethereum to BNB Smart Chain mainnet. If it's not listed under Enabled Networks, scroll down to Additional Networks. Click Add next to it, and it will be added. Once it's enabled, click on it to switch to BNB Smart Chain mainnet. On the main home screen, scroll down until you see Import Tokens and click on it. Select Custom Token and then enter the token contract address. To find this address, go to Google and search for Atok contract address, then visit the Atok token tracker website. Scroll down to Other Info and copy the token contract address with 18 decimals. Return to MetaMask. Paste the token contract address and click Next. The token symbol will automatically be set to Atok, and the token decimal will be 18. Click Next again. Then Import, and the token will be imported to your MetaMask wallet. You can now view it on your home screen under Atok. Click on the Atok coin. Then click Receive at the bottom right and copy your address. Go back to your Atok account. Navigate to the home screen and click the Manage button next to your Atok balance. Select Transfer. Paste the address you copied from MetaMask into the recipient field. Enter the amount you want to transfer and click Transfer. Your Atok will be sent to your MetaMask account.